We are declaring a state of emergency and instituting a travel ban. This state of emergency closes the streets, highways, and bridges of New York City for all traffic. Stay inside, stay prepared, and stay safe.
Le pont de Bouquet, on aimerait bien le faire à pied. Puis voilà, si c'est comme ça va pas le faire.
No ir a la Estatua de la Libertad, tal vez, pero no sé, caminar por.
The issue we're seeing, especially with this wind right now, originally the last few hours, it was the snowflakes were pretty soft when it hits you in the face, but this wind right now, it's more of like a wet mix that's just really stinging your face as you're standing out here. So it is incredibly tough to see out here with the wind whipping, power lines shaking as a result of the winds. We do have several outages here, about 1,500 just in the Wildwood Island alone. And one of the other issues is the roadways. We have been seeing some plow crews out here working, trying to clear everything. They were just out here a few minutes ago. The problem is
it is so cold out here. It's literally 25 degrees colder than it was yesterday. And the snow that's falling right now in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and more, listen, it is crazy. But let me ask you this question. What is this that I'm about to show you?
Completely surrounded, you know, zip tied to the front. All right, guys, we're preparing for the blizzard, and the car condom is officially on. So it's zip tied, as you can see, to the tires.
Not everybody's going to get the same amount of snow. There are some people going to see 10 inches, some people are going to see 20 inches, maybe even more before this thing is over. Thousands are without power right now, and many are stuck where they are because emergency services have suspended services right now due to the severity of this blizzard. They're only going out in case of life-threatening situations, and even then they're going to have the National Guard help them get to that location. Trees are falling down. Like I said, homes are without power. So I would say stay inside, stay warm, and stay safe. And y'all, spring is around the corner. Just keep thinking, spring is around the corner. Click your heels, whatever you got to do. And I'll see y'all in the next video because it's a busy news day. So turn your notifications on. This next story that I have already set to come out, I'm probably going to end up doing an update on that because it is an active story right now.